Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to archive completed tasks in Asana. So this is very simple and straightforward, just follow my steps. First step is to navigate to your project section and open the project that you want to archive tasks in. So in order to archive the completed task, you will first have to complete a task, so click on Mark as complete. And now, in order to archive this task, you will have to use filters. So click on filter and click filter by incomplete tasks. Now, the tasks that are complete basically disappear. So it is something like they are archived, but not really. So this is the only option I know of in Asana. It is really weird that it doesn't support archiving it completely, but this works for me and I hope it will work for you as well. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.